The tree pictured on the screen doesn't lose its needles in the wintertime. It remains green all year long. What type of tree is this? This composite picture shows a tree that loses its leaves in the wintertime. What type of tree is this? I'm pointing to the top surface of the board. What's the name of this area of the board? I'm pointing to the skinny part of the board. What is the name of this part of the board? I'm pointing at this area of the board. What's the name of this area of the board? Wood has natural defects. This is a defect in the wood. What type of defect is this? I'm measuring out my board. How long is this board? What machine is pictured here? 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 The yellow arrow indicates the direction of cut. You can see that the cut is going to be parallel to the grain. What's the name of this type of cut? What machine would you use to make a cut that is parallel to the grain? In this picture, our cut is perpendicular to the grain. What's the name of this type of cut? What machine would you use to make this type of cut? This board's edge is not flat, straight, or smooth. What's the name of the operation that would make this board, the edge of the board, flat, straight, and smooth? What's the name of the tool pictured? What's the name of this tool? What's the name of this tool? We use this tool to put a little dimple before we drill holes. What's the name of this tool? We use the hand sander to smooth our board. We say that we're going to rough sand to start with. What grit sandpaper do we use to rough sand? What grit sandpaper do we use to medium sand? And what grit sandpaper do we use to fine sand?